Hey everybody, it's Nabeel coming at you again today. Today I'm here to show you these brand new frames from Bose. These are the Bose Frames Tenor. Now, you probably already know they had the Alto and the Rondo edition. These are the new edition Tenor. As with all the other Bose frames, these ones are polarized lenses. They provide UVA and UVB protection for your eyes, and they've got built-in speakers into the sides. There's one on top, there's one on the bottom on both sides, and it really feels like you're wearing headphones when you wear these. These guys give you that Bose sound that you've come to know. It's really crystal clear, and it's amazing because there's nothing that's actually on your ear. So because of that, you can hear a little better what's going on around you. Even though it's not inside an ear cup, it's still pretty quiet, so people around you aren't really going to hear what you hear unless you got it up really loud. If you have it up really loud, they will be able to hear it when they're pretty close by. If you keep it down pretty low, not only will you be able to hear what's going on around you, but other people aren't going to really hear anything that you're playing. If you're in a quiet library, yeah, they'll probably hear some noise. But if you're outside, like in a park setting like this, and you keep it at a decent level where you can still hear it, but other people aren't going to hear it. So there's the safety feature, there's the privacy and noise bleed feature, which are both good things. A couple of things that I'm not crazy about with these is frames are plastic, and it's, you know, there's different types of plastic out there. Try and think of a toddler's toy, okay, like a toy truck or something. You get that sort of cheap plastic feel that has big seams where the plastic pieces are fit together, and these are definitely like that. It's not one solid piece of plastic, and I suppose the obvious reason for that is that they've got electronic components inside that they've got to snap the plastic around. And I don't think they did a great job of closing up their seams nice and neat where they feel good, basically. They've got sort of rough seams, and also there are seams right on the nose pieces. So you can actually feel the seam on your nose, and it kind of doesn't feel great to me. So that's one thing that I didn't like about these frames. The other thing is they're one size fits all, and if you've got a smaller head, they're not really going to fit that well on you. Because on the side, where the electronics are on the side of the frames, it's kind of big. Kind of like, you know, old people sunglasses that go over their prescription glasses. That's what they remind me of a little bit. A little more stylish than that. But because of the width of this part, if you've got a small head, you can't push them back far enough, and they're going to end up sitting like this on your face. For me, they fit just fine, though. So those are the two main drawbacks to these glasses, as far as I'm concerned. But the pros, great sound quality. I think they look pretty good. The added safety, the fact that they just don't bleed that much. Inside the box, you've got a USB charging cord. It's USB type A on one end, and the other end is a specially fitted charger that goes onto the side of your glasses. Then you've got the glasses case with glasses inside, a Bose branded cleaning cloth. You get paperwork that tells you about the app. The app will be able to manage your Bluetooth connection, and you'll also be able to learn about the controls for the phone and get updates and new features. And there's a QR code that you can scan to go to the app. And this is in several different languages. Then you get a big, thick safety instruction manual, which is also in several different languages. They've got an integrated microphone, so you can take calls using these sunglasses. They work via Bluetooth, and they are compatible with Android and iOS devices. All right, inside the case, just some felt. This is a hard case with a magnetic closure. Got the Bose logo on the side. And right in here is where you're going to charge. Magnetically attach it, the other end either into a USB charger or into a brick and then into an outlet. So here they are. They fit pretty tightly. The nose bridge, I feel like Again, it's that weird plastic, that sort of cheap plastic. It almost feels like there's a seam there. I'm not sure, I didn't look, so I'll look in a second to see if there is a seam in the plastic, but it feels almost like a seam in the plastic, and I don't love it. It's fine around my ears. Seems to be okay like that. But I don't think these are going to go anywhere. You know, they're not going to be sliding down, at least at first. I don't know how strong the hinges are on these, so if they're going to give out over time and get really loose and be sliding down my nose and everything like that. But right now, there's no slide to them. All right, so that's my video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button. Both of those things really help me out, and they help me to keep getting videos like this to you. I hope to be back with another video soon. And until the next time, I will catch you on the next video.